Okay, I don't wanna take this as a negative comment, pero I just wanted to address it na kaya ako inaamoy yung mga fragrance ko as I spray it is because it is already my bad habit. I tend to smell things na nahahawakan ko as an estatium because I'm curious on what they smell. That's why I'm into fragrance because I really like to smell. So, napapansin nyo rin ba na kapag gumagawa ako ng reviews or any videos ko na after ko siyang spray, aamuin ko siya? Pero after naman nun is naamoy ko pa rin siya. So I guess that doesn't mean na hindi ko siya naaamoy in full experience and hindi naman yung first smell ko and yun yung final verdict ko. I do smell them because it's a habit of mine. So yun lang naman yung gusto kong i-address sa situation na to. If this will affect my credibility on reviewing fragrances, it's okay. In the first place, I'm not really credible since I'm not a perfumer, I'm not a pro, and last of all, hindi pa ganun kawide yung fragrance collection ko. I'm just a consumer trying to give you my opinion, my thoughts, and my reviews sa mga fragrance na ito. So, if ever man na magsasabi sa akin na, ba't yung pinapanood yan, di naman siya marunong, ba't yung pinapanood to, ganito, ganyan lang naman siya, I don't care. In the first place, I'm just giving my thoughts and reviews in my personal opinion. Yun naman, and I think that's what drives my viewers kasi I'm just a consumer as well. I don't have any sponsorship. I don't have any people giving me free fragrances to review. By the end of the day, I'm just a regular consumer like you people who wanted to smell good. Yun lang naman. Bye.